The multiple tab design is what sets CoverGuard apart and drives its popularity. Instead of hard to latch single tabs, multiple tabs grab tight even when stuffed to capacity, and this saves significant frustration and time and can minimize the channels needed and keep a wall clutter to a minimum. The beefy base is 2 to 3 times as thick as the competitors, and it holds its shape on uneven surfaces. It won't warp or buckle. Cutting the base and leaving the cover long allows adjustable depth to solve challenges and wall obstacles, leaving you with a seamless look. The versatile fittings adjust to the duct and can reduce SKUs and inventory dollars. Installers love the larger, easy-to-hold, no-rust cam screws. They fit like a key and lock in with just a quarter turn. They cannot over-torque or crack the plastic. The peel-and-go film keeps the duct free from scuffs and scratches. Warehouse to job site, saves cleanup time and can protect unused channels. Techs tell us they love the pre-installed zip-tie clips. They easily slide where needed, but they won't pull out. Versatile fittings come in paintable white and brown and soon in gray. Channels are available in both 48 and 78-inch lengths, and there's a convenient single SKU grab-and-go kit in all sizes. Single or multi-zone application, CoverGuard offers confident adjustable line set protection.